5 ways to enhance your window looks. Dear friends, your windows are probably the least appreciated structure in your home. However, they're also some of the most important. Despite how bland they may seem, windows can be a beautiful design element with appeal from within and outside your home. If you're looking to upgrade the look of your windows, here are 5 methods to create a charming, stylish view. 1. Add window treatments. Curtains, drapes, or blinds are some of the simplest ways to enhance your windows. Choosing a fabric and color that complements your room can instantly add warmth and style. You can opt for sheer curtains to bring a soft, airy feel, while heavier drapes create a cozy, elegant look. If you prefer something modern, consider roller blinds or Roman shades to add texture and depth, creating a complete, polished look. 2. Upgrade your window frames. Changing the window frame to a modern style can make a huge difference, adding a sleek, contemporary vibe, while wooden frames bring warmth and a rustic feel. If you have an older window with peeling paint, a fresh coat in a neutral or bold color can revive its look. A unique frame shape, like an arch or grid pattern, can turn an ordinary window into a standout feature in your home. 3. Set up a viewing perch. A simple bench or built-in seat with cushions and throws provides a cozy space to relax, read, or enjoy the outdoors from the inside. This setup transforms a plain window into an inviting nook that adds charm to any room. A viewing perch enhances your window's look and creates a small retreat where you can unwind and appreciate the natural light and scenery. Plus, it's a picturesque spot for your pets, such as cats, who enjoy spending time looking out windows. 4. Add indoor plants. You can hang plants, potted succulents, or trailing vines near windows to better receive natural sunlight. You could even add a shelf below or above the window to create a mini indoor garden. Placing plants around your windows can bring life and color to the space, enhance the window's aesthetic, boost air quality, and add a natural vibe to your home. 5. Install decorative window film. Decorative windows provide privacy without blocking natural light, making them perfect for ground floor windows or bathrooms. With window film, you can enjoy both a decorative effect and added privacy, especially if your windows face a busy street or neighbor. They're an easy and affordable way to add character to your windows, and they come in various designs, from frosted and stained glass looks to patterns and motifs. Choose quality and beautiful windows for your home. From adding cozy window seats to incorporating stylish treatments and greenery, there are countless ways to make your windows more attractive and inviting. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.